I thought I'd do a full walk around here real quick so you can see. I took the running boards off, which makes it look a little bit taller. You'll see on the other side it shows the RV, I mean the what's it called, the propane tank, which I'm not sure if I like that, but excuse the basketball hoop there. I just got a front hitch for this, and I'm about to bedline that bumper and black out the grill. And then I was going to paint the outside, but I think once I put all the exterior things on, like the hitch and the winch and all that stuff, it won't matter. And I might have a custom rack for the top that allows me to carry kayaks and stand-up paddleboards on the side and stuff. And then of course I just showed you guys the interior, but here it is again. Painted all the cabinets, vinyl plank flooring. Okay, and the old Eldorado, and then back to the back with our cat flying in space. It's pretty cool.